So there's a software called Canva, and you can download it from the Play Store. It's called Canva, C-A-N-V-A. What is the use of this particular software? One, how to use Canva. So take note, Canva helps you edit photos. You can edit photos with Canva. Do you get it? And it helps you create graphic designs. Graphic designs. E.g., I can use Canva to create a flyer with my phone. And to look like one that I use computer to do. Exactly the same thing. Do you get? So Canva helps you to also do graphics design. You understand? Alright. You can also use Canva to create what we call thumbnail. It can be used for thumbnail. Can be used for thumbnail creation. Are you following me? Can be used for thumbnail creation. What is a thumbnail? A thumbnail on YouTube, for example, is that image you first of all see before a video starts playing. If you are on YouTube now, for example, you will notice that on every video you see on YouTube, there is something they will write on that video, like it will be as if it's a picture in that video. Immediately you just click play, the thing will disappear. Have you noticed it? So that thing is called a thumbnail. So Canva can be used to create a thumbnail. Meanwhile, while I'm trying to post a content on YouTube, there's an option where I can upload my thumbnail. So the thumbnail dimension for YouTube is usually between 1 to, e.g., the size is 1280 by 720. This is the wideness. This is the wideness, and this is the this is how wide it is. This is how this is length. Sorry, this is length and this is the breadth. Do you get me? So it can help you create your thumbnail. You can use it to create designs. You can use it to create flyers. You understand? You can also use it to edit videos. Canva, short videos or long videos. So it can be used to edit videos. Another thing about Canva, number 5, it has thousands of templates. You know what the template is? It has thousands of templates you can make use of for designs. You understand? So if you are a digital marketer and you don't know about Canva, I think you are still playing. Are you getting it? So it has thousands of templates you can use for designs. You understand? So you need to know about this app. Alright, good. Got